It is now Monday morning on the Alabama Gulf Coast, and you are watching the Red Weatherman YouTube channel. We have a lot to get into today, but before I begin, make sure that you hit the like button down below and make sure that you hit subscribe if you have not done so already. A rather unusual north-to-south pattern of convection has persisted in southern Alabama over the weekend, and that is, of course, due to Tropical Depression 2 in the eastern Gulf. And you can clearly see that spin on radar, that clear center of circulation associated with this newly formed tropical cyclone. And that designation came from the National Hurricane Center around 10 a.m. Central Time this morning, around the time some of you were probably in church services. This thing was getting upgraded from just a tropical wave to a fully formed depression. And over the next couple of days, it's going to be making a turn towards the west in the northern Gulf of America and also starting to slowly accelerate westward. As it does so, it's going to be strengthening over the warm waters. Tropical storm watches are in effect for the entire Florida Panhandle, and the storm is expected to make its first landfall on Wednesday night around 7 p.m. Central Time, just to the southeast of New Orleans, then reemerge back out over the Gulf and make a secondary landfall along the central Texas coastline Thursday night. Now, I do want to mention something here because there is a strong chance that the storm actually outperforms the current 5-day predictions from the National Hurricane Center. If we take a look at the current sea surface temperature maps put out by NOAA, we can see the storm is currently sitting over waters that are marginally conducive for development. That being said, the storm is expected to eventually turn towards the west, and some of these water temperatures are closing in on 90 degrees Fahrenheit off the coast of Louisiana, and the storm is expected to go right through there. And as it does so, we could see a very significant Grossberg in its intensity, could see a rapid intensification cycle where all of a sudden the storm balloons up to hurricane status. And folks along the coastline there in both Louisiana and the state of Texas should be well prepared for that. Now let's time out those impacts for you. Most likely arrival time for tropical storm force winds Tuesday night for Mobile, Pensacola. For South Mississippi, you have until Wednesday, 8 a.m. or so. For places farther west, such as Lake Charles, Louisiana, and the coast of Texas, those tropical storm force winds will be arriving Thursday. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video informative, please like it down below, and make sure that you subscribe to the Red Weatherman YouTube channel. You can also receive the latest weather updates by following the Red Weatherman Rumble channel and by following both James's weather forecasts and the Gulf of America Weather Research Center on Facebook.